our fourth project going to be a currency converter. So we want to welcome the user. All right, welcome to the currency converter. Cool. Now we want to set the exchange rates. Okay, they are not real, they're just examples. Exchange rates and USD, and inside they're gonna have an object, right? An object euro A5 or whatever, GBP 0.65 or JYP 110, and then on and on. And then we're gonna have a euro. In euro, this will be a USD. Okay, and it's gonna be more, right? USD is 1.18 or whatever. And then over here, GBP and USD is gonna be 185, and then over here euro is 165, JYP is 180, and then over here JYP, USD, of course, gonna be 0, and then 0. Over here is gonna be euro. Okay, something like that. Now we defined our exchange rates, and we want to be able to show what currency is available. Function show currencies console.log available currencies USD, euro, GBP, and JPY. JPY, and then JPY. Cool. All right, y'all. So we're gonna be showing, okay. Apparently the title says that, right? The function. So show currencies. We want to be able to tell our users that only these are available. You can't choose any other ones. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and write a function to perform, the currency conversion. Here we go. Function convert currency, and then we want to take in the parameters amount from currency. Okay, we want, and to currency. I don't need to explain these anymore. It's basically self-explanatory. And we're gonna check if exchange rates from currency, whatever we put in, right? If we put in USD, it's gonna check the USD from this exchange rate, right? If so, I'm going to check if it's valid. And exchange rates from currency again, and then inside to whatever currency we want, right? To currency. So these right there. It's checking if it's true. Okay. Now we want const rate. We want to calculate the rate first. We want to get the rate, which is exchange rates, and then from currency to currency. This will give us the rate. Okay. And we want to convert the amount now. Const converted amount equals the amount we put in times the rate. Okay. This basically what it's doing is it goes in here, exchange, and whatever we put in USD. It's gonna check the USD and to whatever we want, like, right? And it's gonna go inside here, Europe or this or this. So this is what it's doing. It's gonna get that rate. It's gonna get that rate. So for example, we're gonna go in here. We choose USD, and then to whatever currency we want to see, this one. So it's gonna give us this value here. That's the rate. Okay, and we're gonna return the converted amount because we're gonna call these soon. Okay, else return nothing. Okay, no. And now the second one is this. All right, so right here is gonna be our main function where we're gonna do the conversion. Okay, so function currency converter. All right, and we want to show currencies to show user, right? And we want const from currency. We want to ask user, right? What currency you're trying to change or to convert. Enter the source. The example, right? Example would be USD or whatever from currency, and we want to do to uppercase because they might put uppercase or lowercase to uppercase. Okay, they might put lowercase or uppercase. Here we set this up as uppercase. Okay, that's why I want to make sure it matches. And then const to currency, and want to prompt user, and you say enter the target currency. Okay, like example euro. Okay, and then here dot to uppercase again. There we go. And says we save these two values. We want to be able to do something. We want to ask also again the amount, right? It makes sense. Do float. It might be a decimal, that's why we use float. And then enter the amount to convert. Cool. We got 3 inputs, and we want to check if it's not a number. We want to put in the amount, or amount less than equal to 0, we want to do console.log invalid, and then we want to return it. Don't run it anymore. Okay, cool. And then our result, right? Our result, we're gonna call convert currency, which is this one right here, and it's already done the calculations here. And all we gotta put in is the amount, which came from here, and then from currency and to currency, because of how this set up here. Okay, that's our results. And then we want to check if result is not equal to null. We want to console.log amount from currency is equal to result dot fixed to fix, right? To fixed to make it a whole number, and then to currency. Cool. And we're gonna do else console.log invalid currency pair. Please check again. Okay, now we want to call this function here currency converter. Currency converter. There we go. We want to do USD, right? Let's just put USD to JPY, I think, right? Or JPY. And then the amount, want to do $100. Wow, let's see. $100 is equal to 1,100 Japanese money. Okay, let's do that again. Let's do USD again. It doesn't matter what you wrote, right? To euro now. I want to do $1. $1 is equal to 85 cents. All right, guys, there goes the currency converter. If you guys like it, comment down below. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up so that I stay motivated. And these stuff are good to learn and become better in your JavaScript. Our next project will be different. It's not gonna be short like this. It's gonna be a longer version. Okay, so that will be on the weekend or something, because I do not have work right now. I have work, so I have to make it. Give thumbs up and comment down below. All right, peace out.